What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another reaction on the channel. Today we're going to be reacting to Lies You Keep, Technoblade versus Parrot, and Spook Animation? I don't think it's Spook, because I think you spelled that with like 2 O's and just a K. I don't know. I can't spell in the first place, so why am I even thinking? But anyways, I'm guessing this is 2 other maybe YouTubers or whatever, because that's the like Clown Pierce or whatever in the last one. Y'all kept on letting me know there was a YouTuber, a very skilled PvP that's not really too known, kind of like Technoblade is, but yeah, this what y'all told me. So here with another one. I guess we're continuing on after the last one. Man, this guy gets them out fast. EthanAnimatez, you're amazing. Oh boy. But yeah, of course, before we get into it, don't forget to go check out EthanAnimatez. Link to his channel down in the description below. Let him know I sent you. And while you're down there, feel free to check out the Discord server. You get to see other stuff I do on my other channels, because I don't just do reactions. I do Minecraft and Roblox and outdoor stuff, all that stuff. Also, if you want to join there, you can leave suggestions in the reaction suggestions area, and I'll probably get to them on Random Reaction Wednesday. So if I remember correctly, the last one was, of course, against Clown Pierce, and Technoblade, I think, got something, and then he got out of there. So I guess we'll more or less be picking off from where that was. So let's get to it. I'm kind of eager here. That was a circle of death right there. No one likes the spinning circle of death. Ooh. Hey! It's time. Hmm? What's that about? I guess that must be the Parrot guy. Cool design, I gotta admit. Come on. Dang, I can't keep track of this. Did he get him? I guess for the most part, maybe? Oh, both? So it was like the mask he had earlier? You got the mask. Stick with me, Phil. This isn't how you go. This isn't about me. This is your story. You must decide how it ends. Promise me. Dang. Come out wherever you are. Wow. Who in the world? That's an interesting sort of weapon choice with him. Quite neat. Pretty strong, too. Oh? Huh? To be continued. Yet again! With the to be continued! And the cliffhangers. I mean, honestly, you can't really be mad at the cliffhangers. They're also what keep you interested in the series. So anyways, that was 2 characters this time. The parrot guy and I'm going to guess that second guy was the poke animation guy. Spoke. Yeah, poke. I get things right. Okay, just ignore me. Anyways, let me know what y'all thought of the reaction down in the comments below. And boy, EthanAnimatez, this was amazing. Keep up the great work. And I can't wait to react to more in the future. And I guess I'll see you all next time, everybody. Stay safe. And I'll see you there.